Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'll be sharing with you the best foundation powder that I used on my face. From the past live stream, a lot of you guys had been asking me which powder foundation did I use. It glows my face, it smoothens my face. So today I decided to show you guys the best powder foundation that I use on my face for brighter, smoother and a glowing skin. So watch to the end for you to get all the info you need in this video. So guys, this is my number one pick. Yes, the Glam Girl Professional Makeup Concealer Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Matte Foundation. So guys, I recommend this product and I also use this product because it is a matte finish. Your face stays shiny free all day. Yes, and it is a waterproof formula. Even if it is hot, the weather is hot, it won't melt or slide on your face. I love this product because it is medium to full coverage, perfect for hiding blemishes, redness or dark spots without looking heavy on your face. It smoothens the skin as well. So if you want to use this product, use it, blend effortlessly with brush or even your fingers. Yes, and if you're having a dry skin, your face is dry, try apply moisturizer first to prevent your face from looking rough. So guys, my number 2 is the Ever Beauty HD Matte Foundation. Yes, this one here is very nice and it is smooth on skin. Yes, it is lightweight. If you want that smooth and shiny face, you get this particular one, and it is good for video and photo shoots. Yeah, so if you want, if you're the type that do video shoot, photo shoot, you go for this particular one. It covers everything at once. So now this is my top 3, the classic HD foundation. This one is perfect for both dry skin and oily skin. Why? Because it contains SPF 30%, 12 hours. Foundation neutral stays all day without melting your face. It stays for like 12 hours on your face. So this product is of 3 types. This one is the True Color, the classic True Color mattifying foundation. It is very nice as well. So fourthly is the Elegance Beauty High Definition Foundation. Yes, this one is a full coverage and matte foundation, but it is a little lighter than Glam Gals. Yes, I love this foundation because for days when I want to polish look without looking too heavy, it delivers. Yes. And finally, my secret weapon is the Lion's Tail HD Concealer Foundation. Yes, this one is amazing because it is double as a concealer and a foundation. The reason why I love this product is that it is a full coverage. If you have blemishes, dark spots on the eye, this covers everything. It covers your dark spots on the eye, blemishes. It covers it very well without melting or sliding down. Yes, so guys, please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.